Alright guys, if you're looking for a heavy-duty portable carport, this might be the video for you. I just picked up this carport off of Amazon at a pretty decent price. And this is a 12 by 20 foot carport. As you guys can see, it's got steel construction, and then it's got the weatherproof, UV-proof cover on the top. It's got doors on both sides, so I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But as you guys can see, this provides tons of room for storage. Now, when this gets delivered, it's going to come in 3 separate boxes. Everything was packaged really nice. And as you guys can see, everything has labels on it for when you put this together, which makes it extremely easy. It only took me about 3.5 hours to put this together. I did need some help, so I asked my daughter to help me. Here is all the hardware. It's all labeled also. And here's a look at the heavy duty cover. This is UV and waterproof, which is nice. Keep everything nice and dry, protected. And like I said, this is a 20 by 12. Instructions were extremely easy to follow. So the first thing I did is I took some measurements. This is going to be a temporary place I'm going to install it. Plan on putting this into another location, but I laid out the first steps, and then those are the first steps put together, as you guys can see. Now the hardware was really easy to use because it actually had wing nuts instead of like a nut and bolt system, so no tools were really required for this. There is the section of the legs put on the one side, and that's what it's going to look like when you get the legs on both sides of the carport. After that, went ahead and installed these stabilizer bars, support bars. You get one for each side. Definitely need these because without these it starts swinging back and forth. Once these were installed, it made the carport very sturdy. And once that was done, everything was installed for the structure of the carport. So pretty simple, easy, and quick. Now here's what it looks like with the cover on. The cover was pretty easy to install. I did need a step ladder. That's a 6-foot step ladder to be able to swing this over from one side to the other, but not very hard to do. And once again, you're going to want to have a second pair of hands with this to make it a little bit easier. So once you get that on, you're going to want to tie it down to the steel structure with the provided rope that it gives you. It's just like a crisscross. The cover does have some metal grommets. You're going to run the rope through the grommets and then around the steel structure and then tie it off at the end. You're going to get 4 ropes, one for each side and then one for the door section. Now these are different sizes, so make sure you pay attention. Then that's what it looks like with the door installed on the one side. Like I said, this does come with 2 doors, one to put on each side so you can fully enclose the carport. And then up top here, it does have some adjustable buckles to hold the door in place. All right, so here's a look at the actual dimensions of the car canopy. So as you guys can see, the door rolls up to 8.6 feet, 20 foot deep, and then 12 feet wide. Now the door width is only 10 foot. So keep that in mind. So with all that room, you definitely can utilize this for a lot of different storage options. You can park your vehicle in there side by side like I showed, motorcycles, maybe some outdoor equipment, or even use it to store some wood. Here's a side view of the car canopy. I really like the cover on this. Very durable, high quality material. But what I'll probably end up doing is I'll probably end up pulling the cover a little bit tighter with those ropes just to get the wrinkles out and everything. Plus with the rounded design top, you're going to want to keep that cover as tight as possible, so if it does snow or rain, it's not going to puddle up at the top. It'll just roll right off the sides. And here's a quick walkthrough. Like I said, this thing is huge. Doors go on each side, so once again it can be fully enclosed, but just a lot of room with this 20 by 12 carport. Now the doors were also really easy to install. They give you these bungee cords. You run them through the metal grommets all the way around the frame of the structure. And that's what it looks like with the door fully installed and closed. Now the door has multiple zippers on it. It has 3 total, so 1 on each side, and then you got 1 right in the middle. It also uses Velcro to secure the door in place along with the bungee cords. Makes it nice and sturdy. So what I like about this is there are multiple different ways you can open up the carport. You can use the zipper right in the middle if you just want to go in there and grab something, or you can roll up the door by unzipping both ends, as I'm doing here. And then you're just going to take the door and roll it up like you would any normal tarp. And then you can use the buckles at the top to hold it in place. Like I said, it has 4 buckles total. These are made out of plastic and these are adjustable. And then here is me just pulling in my ATV, just to give you guys kind of an idea of what it looks like with something parked inside. Wasn't able to get a car back here, so the next best thing was this. But as you guys can see, even with the ATV parked in there, still got tons of room for anything else I wanted to store inside here, or to keep out of the weather, whether it's raining or snowing. So there you go, guys. I just want to do a quick review of this new carport that I picked up from Amazon, just in case you guys are in the market for one. I'll make sure I put links in the description box below if you guys are interested in this. Like I said, pretty affordable, really heavy duty and sturdy. So if you guys are interested, you might want to check this out. If you guys got any comments or questions about this car canopy, put them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. I'll probably be taking this down and relocating it to its new home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.